In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now forming this new opportunity within the smaller time frame. And guys, on top of that, Ethereum is right now forming this new pattern that I'm also going to show you. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this declining price. If we're going to look at the hourly, this is what we were monitoring, the declining price. At the same time, what I told you is you have to watch for the RSI kasi ang dapat mangyari dito is the price must be declining at the same time the RSI must be increasing in order for us to see a bullish trend reversal signal. Pero wala tayong nakitang ganun na nangyari. That's why I'm telling you, kahapon na we are going to expect more consolidation which is right now playing out ngayon. Yung ating consolidation na sinasabi natin kahapon. And now, on top of that, ano ba yung next thing na kailangan natin tingnan dito ngayon with the Bitcoin price? So as of the time being, if you're going to look into the very short term, the very short term is right now forming this symmetric triangle na you can actually see within the 15-minute time frame. So right now, this is a swing tradable opportunity. You can buy at the support and then sell at the resistance. So pwede mo siya i-swing trade for the time being sa movement na yan. But ito na yan eh. The Bitcoin price is getting tighter and tighter, so we might see a breakout anytime soon, either a bullish or bearish breakout. So in this case, ano ba yung magiging target natin? So all we have to do is just to get the height, then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. So take note of the following scenarios na we have to show you. So this is the bullish scenario and this is the bearish scenario. So ito yung mga kailangan natin itingnan. So if we are going to break bullish, our target is the 44.2k. But if we break bearish, we are going to target the 42.8k. Now, we are going to open either a long position if makita tayo ng bullish breakout with volume or if makita tayo ng sell volume upon this bearish breakout. So that is what we are going to trade dito with the Bitcoin price action for the time being if we're going to see a breakout. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can trade that here with BingX. And if you want to claim bonus with BingX, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And on top of that, ito din yung ating monitor which is the 21-week EMA. As you can see, diba? And then ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, diba? In order for Bitcoin as well as the whole crypto market to remain healthy, we must close above the 21-week EMA. And as of the time being, this is what it's actually looking like ngayon. 21-week EMA is still actually within this area and we are trying to break down. But take note, wala pa tayong confirmation dito not unless we see the weekly candle close this Monday. So right now, this is what you have to monitor within the coming days, especially at Monday at 8 a.m. This must close above this area in order for us to remain healthy within the whole crypto market. Now let's dive into the altcoin market quickly kasi look at this. Bitcoin dominance is rapidly moving sideways ngayon. We actually got rejected exactly by this resistance na sinasabi ko sa inyo sa Bitcoin dominance. And then in that case, altcoins were actually performing better yesterday or actually kanina umaga. But right now, as you can see, we are potentially seeing a possible bounce dyan. So in that case, possible na maging delikado to sa altcoin is let's say mag-bounce tayo dito sa ating support area ni Bitcoin dominance. So remember, whenever the dominance is increasing, that would indicate altcoins is going to bleed against Bitcoin. Pero if the dominance is decreasing, then that would indicate altcoins are going to perform better. And as much as possible, in order for altcoins to remain healthy, dominance must decline. So that is what we are going to monitor with the Bitcoin dominance. And with that being said, let's dive into the altcoin market quickly. So as you can see, Ethereum, diba? Previously, what we were monitoring was this bullish divergence forming within the early time frame. And look at that, it played out exactly as predicted. So congratulations if you have played that one out. But right now, this is what's forming with Ethereum. So as you can see, within the early time frame, if you're going to plot a support line, and then if magka-plot ka rin na resistance, you can see na we are potentially forming a rising wedge. And traditionally, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. It usually breaks to the downside. So right now, we have to watch for this movement. And then, ang magiging target natin dito would be the bottom of the wedge, which is around the 3.1k or 3,157 US dollars if we are going to break bearish. But ang pwede natin dito gawin is just we're going to get the height. Then, lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout if let's say maging bullish to. So, ito yung ating bullish and bearish scenario. Bullish scenario would be the 3.3k or 3,366 to be exact. And bearish target would be around the 3,157 US dollar area. So that is what I'm currently monitoring within the Bitcoin price, especially now we are seeing this potential rising wedge forming within the early time frame. And diving in with SLP, as you can see, SLP is right now having a strong support at the 50 or actually 100-day moving average kasi previously 100-day moving average is a very strong resistance. But right now, it's going to act as a support. So the question is, are we going to see a bounce dito kay SLP? Kasi right now, look at this. This could be a potential bounce area dito kay SP if let's say makuha tayo ng bounce dito sa ating 100-day MA. And in that case, makuha tayo ng bounce dyan, then we can actually target within the 0.0396 area dito kay SLP. So that's what I'm currently monitoring with SLP. Looking at this in the early time frame, let's try to zoom in within the very short term. As you can see dito kay SLP, let's try to understand ano ba nangyari ngayon. SLP is right now potentially forming this declining price. Ayun no, the price is declining. At the same time, the RSI is increasing. So right now, this is a potential bullish divergence. In that case, this might flip bullish with SLP if let's see this actually plays out exactly. So right now, we are going to monitor this bullish divergence forming within the early time frame kasi these are signs of a bullish trend reversal with coins like this. Pero guys, if you want to trade SLP with leverage, you can actually trade that with Bybit. Kasi dito kay Bybit, pwede ka mag-long or short na SLP with leverage if let's say you want to trade SLP ng siguro times 50 leverage. If let's say, kumita ka ng 50% and then gusto mo i-times 5 yon, you can actually do that with Bybit. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.